lang kanina.
Game start. Bergen Underdogs and Bergen Spartans. Tomorrow, the first game on the crossover semifinals will be at 10 a.m. So we're here at 9:15 so that you can warm up 10 a.m. So both teams requested that it will be at 10 minutes per game, per half. Okay? 10 minutes per game, per half. Ada.
Sabihan mo
Mamaya pa yan iitim. Pero may ano na, black eye na. May parang pula na. Sino nakatama sa'yo?
nasa bukid. Hindi na sinabi. Ako pumasok sa loob.
Sino nga nakatama? Ah.
Hindi na lang. Uwigin sa akin. Isa kayo nata na kung ba parang mali. Kaya nilabas ko yun sa akin.
Di ba kung mahirapan mag-connect dyan? Yun nga, di ba naglolo ko nga? Asan yung isang mic, be? Iuwi natin yan, nagcha-charge ko.
Tumakbo na yung dalawa! Sa phone ka nag-smoke. Ano ba yun? Oo, lang yan. Buti na lang. Ito ba? Score sa baba. Tira! Grabe ah, dominated. Kunta ka na! Kunta na! Kunta na! Grabe dominating ah. Defense! MVP! MVP! Grabe dominating. Nice one! Ayaw ka rin! Spartan siya. Yeah!
Number 8. Ay, number 12. Number 6.
Punta na kayo.
Foul si Jess.
First team foul. Oh, dali ako. Palatay na tayo sa kone ko. Panip si...
Kinikilig pa.
Grabe ah. Dominating ah. Tama yan, time? Yeah. 10 minutes lang. 10 minutes lang ang request ng both team. Kaya maglaro ka na.
Pasok na, Rio.
Sino palitan ko, Traps?
Ay, sarapat. Makita lang.
Beta na ito.
Makita lang, sapat na. Sarapat. Beb! Beb! Dito ako ba?
Sab!
Bita! Sab! Bita!
Labas lang. Walang problema dyan. Running time yan. Susunod, dunk muna. Ando pa rin.
O, sino yun? 14.
Baldomino driving the ball.
Hindi ko naman eh.
Oh, baba. 3 points by Miguel. Miguel, 3 points. Rivera dribbling the ball. Malhaja, back to Rivera.
Tira mo na! Yan!
Thank you.
Bagnol dribbling the ball.
Ingat! Ingat!
Easy 2 points by Miguel. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Malhaja. Short.
Ayun na!
Easy 2 points
Marami na skips.
by Kirby.
Kota na.
Marvin. We have a foul. Kibski foul. Paso Balahadya. To Marvin. Marvin on the 3.
Ayoko na.
Wait,
Dami
man.
Dami mo na kain sushi.
Alam, may second half pa.
Bagnol, the 3. 3 points by Bagnol. Cabuenas dribbling the ball. Cabuenas, jump shot. 2 points by Cabuenas. Bagnol dribbling the ball. Short. Late. Easy 2 points by Late.
18, number 18.
Cabuenas dribbling the ball. Pass to Marvin. Tan. Penetrates. Very good. Easy 2 points by Tan.
Bang!
2 points by Miguel.
3 points.
3 points, sorry. 3 points. Marvin dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. Easy 2 points by number 14. Bagnol.
Crossover pa eh. Oh.
Ano? Ano?
Yes! 2 points. Easy 2 points by Rivera. Kota na yan.
Sponsored by Sabrura.
Kaliwete ka?
Sabrura, eat all you can.
Skip. Wala nang space. Wala nang sulatan.
Balahadja.
Wala na. Puta na.
Make. Pagnol, 2 points.
Oh, may trace pa.
Baba!
Left.
Hey!
Likod, 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 likod. Likod, likod, likod. 3. Time out. Time is up.
Ayun o.
Nakasabit na ako. This is automatic.
I think here. Yeah.
Para isang round din sa ano, sa Brura.
Ayoko na!
Disappear.
100 calories.
So, ang time, stop natin, 1 minute break, then we start at 15, we end at 5 minutes. We end at 5 minutes.
Correction na lang ba?
Do you have break for him? Both teams.
15 mo na lang.
Yeah, 15.
Nang sila ba?
10 minutes na lang gusto eh.
Jumps, pasok na jumps.
15 minutes. 15 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes. Game na lang yan.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Score!
Score, we have 32 and 10 in favor of the Bergen Spartans team.
Yan, 14. Kina yan. Go.
Punta na eh, punta na.
Okay, game. Yeah.
14 minutes, 14.
Oh, start na.
Bukas na, beast mode, bukas, beast mode.
Kasi naman, Paul, ba't late ka eh?
Okay.
Alat ka rin nagsimula eh. Pero lamang tayo eh. Busog ako kanina eh, busog.
Miguel on the 3.
Nag-itulyo kami kami ni Rio. Sa Brura, eh, nagbalik yun.
Easy 2 points by... Kanina kay Miguel? Boge, sorry.
Mission since sila.
Balahadja.
Silang kalaban ni Bukas.
Nice job.
Pero magko-crossover yan, 1, 4, 2, 3. Kunin natin yung 1. Sino 1? Hindi, tayo pwede mag-1.
Layup by Miguel. Easy 2 points.
Dalawang game, bukas. Dalawang game ang semis. Isang game lang ang finals.
Makunte, dribbling the ball. Pass to Balahadja. Balahadja 3.
Forward sa finals. Ayaw mag-tie sa 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. Ganun yung crossover. At dalawang game sa
March.
finals. Kaya kailangan knockout bukas. Win dapat ang first game. Win din yung champion. Dalawang panalo, kailangan bukas. Back to back.
Bowling.
Ay, sino may UC dyan? Pahiram naman.
Arcadia. Rivera on the rebound.
Maminag, gamit.
Rivera dribbling the ball.
Parang si Radman lang.
Yun oh.
The blade na lang eh. Pasok na eh. Pass to left. Good job. Good. Ganahan niya, tatamad yung red eh. Balahaja.
Rebound! Dapat salisi.
Bagnol. Easy 2 points for March.
Oh, wag!
Anthony dribbling the ball.
Sab daw.
March.
Ay.
Followed by Bagnol. Bagnol 2 points. Maconte dribble the ball. Pass to Rivera. Rivera on the 3. Too hard. Two points by Miguel.
Raider, pasok!
Anthony dribble the ball.
Ay, tapusin mo yan. Sayang yung gasolina.
Miguel on the layup. 2 points. Timeout. Timeout, Underdogs.
Jeff, wala nang space. Wala nang sulatan.
Friend, may ayos dito. Okay lang. Malapit na, taga. Matatapos din yan. Bugin na. Para matapos. Trainer.
Sa akin na naman. Ako naman.
You play.
Okay na, sa likod.
Ito mo ka para makapag-lift ako.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bergen Underdogs versus Bergen Spartans.
Itatabi pa ba itong mga table o hindi na?
Pero wala mo gagamit bukas. Table and chairs, yan na lang.
Arcadia dribbling the ball. Arcadia. To Miguel. Miguel. Rebound by Rivera.
Sige, baba!
Alley-oop!
Diretso mo na.
Crossover, man! From left to right hand.
Arcadia. Sapa. Bagnol dribbling the ball.
Dan, pipinto lang, di ba?
Opo. Diyan mo lang, coach. Bag ko yan ba?
Miguel. Miguel, easy 2 points. Full control, full control. May balik yung power. Bilis, nasisira yung ano. Mayayari tayo ron.
Pre, naiwan yung sarili, pre.
Arcadia. Pass to Crispy.
Yeah!
2 points.
MVP!
Grabe ah.
Pre, pag matapos ko po, yung bimbi ako ah.
Oo. Asan yung trophy? Deep check raw, pre.
Cars base mode.
Ano?
Anthony dribbling the ball. Too hard.
Halo na lang.
Bagnol dribbling the ball. Pass to Miguel. Pass to Arcadia. Bagnol. Miguel on the 3. 3 points by Miguel.
Grabe naman si Miguel ay. Aga ka bukas pala, ang mga warm-up. Anong oras?
Cabuenas.
10 ng game eh.
Pass to Tan. Tan.
30 minutes before warm-up na.
Tracy ka muna rito.
Coach!
Running time naman.
Pass to Miguel. Miguel on the 3. Miguel, 3 points. Nice.
Oy! Nagkulang pa rin. Kinimbang, pero nagkulang.
March. Layup by March is 2 points. Burlo. March yung pangalan niya eh. Bagnol. Bagnol, layup, 2 points. Nice, Rivera. Outside ball. Arcadia, paso Bagnol.
Malugang schedule nito bukas.
Bagnol, 2 points. Anthony dribbling the ball.
Oy!
Konti na lang, shoot na na eh.
Kumanto lang. Arcadia dribbling the ball. Pass to March. March on the 3. Air ball. Wala ba tutulong kay Tan doon sa ilalim? Oh. Pass. Pass to Duelito. Duelito.
Yun!
2 points for Duelito. Cabuenas.
Oy! Ayos eh. Okay, trap nyo, trap! Siyo, trap! Siyo, trap! Pero kayo?
Bagnol. Sorry. March, 2 points. March yung pangalan mo.
Wala kayo dosin dyan? Utang ina naman!
Cabuenas. Lakas.
Nagtatayo sila, ubus lang sila. Tulong ng mga bigat pa rin first game. First day. Bukas na maiksi lang. Oo.
Using the board. Arcadia. Oh, 2
Oo,
points.
pumasok.
March dribbling the ball. Pass to Arcadia. Arcadia to Bagnol. Bagnol. Too hard. Steal by Cabuenas. Cabuenas.
Pass break! Hey there!
Yan lang.
Have mercy.
Ramon. Last 3 minutes. Pass to Bagnol. Walang pantay.
Sino ba ka? Number 1, para sa 3-1.
Alin? Point system. Point system yun.
Okay, score is 64 and 12 points in favor of Bergen Spartan. Nice stand, easy 2 points. Last 3 minutes. Oh, we have to finish. 3 minutes. Yeah.
No, this time it was 15. The last
Okay.
half, 15.
2 points by Bagnol.
Wala pa rin! Pero tam, uwi na ako, uwi na!
Arcadia dribble the ball, pass to Miguel. Miguel on the 3. Arcadia, 2 points.
Si Bogey yun.
Anthony dribbling the ball. Paso Rivera. Oy! Nice shot by Cabuenas, 2 points. Ano, running time yan? Okay. Okay. Time left, we have 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Miguel. Shoot pa rin. 2 points for Miguel. Likod. Oh, inabot yung bola. Ang lupit naman, nag-ahawak pa rin. Okay. Left. Bagdol. Pass to Miguel. Miguel, turn around shot. 2 points for Miguel.
Miguel!
Time left. We have 1 minute and 5 seconds. 3. Dikitan nyo, mahabol pa yan. Press.
Tira mo na!
Nice, Anthony.
Itira mo na!
Diretso mo na yan, biyahing langit.
Tira mo na dyan!
Last 45 seconds. Last 45 seconds.
Isa pa!
Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Miguel on the layup. 2 points for Miguel. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds.
Tira!
Anthony, likod.
Wala talaga eh.
Isang points na lang kayo. Maligaya na ako. Oh, ano?
Miguel kay Anthony! Anthony!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alam ko timarang pinasok pa rin. Sagis na talaga. Walang patawad. Okay, 3 points. By Crispy. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tusen tak. Have a nice evening. We conclude for today's basketball game. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Barbie.
Thank you, Marvin.
Just, pirmahan mo kahit masama sa loob.